Hello. Today I will be demonstrating how to properly install a central processing unit, or CPU. You will need a CPU, of course, as well as a motherboard to put it in. Before we can begin, you should ensure the safety of yourself and the computer. To avoid shocking yourself or your fragile computer parts, called electrostatic discharge, you must ground yourself. This can be done by strapping on a wrist strap and connecting the other end to bare metal. For any components you might need to put down, you should have an ESD mat. If you're working inside your computer, make sure your computer is unplugged, the switch, if there is one on the power supply, is set to off, and that all power has been completely drained from the computer. Align the triangle on your CPU with the triangle on your motherboard. Then, gently place the CPU into the socket. No pressure is required. Use the retention arm to lower the socket back down onto the CPU, and under the screw if there is one. Then push the arm down under the lock. This will require some pressure. You have successfully installed your CPU.